Hey, yo, so this is remember I made that I dropped that video about that the basil and the rosemary. This is what I'm talking about. They had the mint today. So I got the mint. I'm gonna throw this in the dirt tomorrow morning. If y'all wanna like, comment, subscribe, you'll probably catch that video early in the morning, or probably about, I ain't gonna say early in the morning, it'll probably be around noon or 5. So I'm gonna drop this, I'm gonna drop a video, and I'm gonna drop this in the dirt or in a pot around 12 or 5 p.m. tomorrow. So y'all go ahead and give me a like, comment, subscribe. But this is what I was talking about. You see how it come in the bag and it come in the pot, and they come already, pretty much grown. I went to Walmart earlier today, and usually they only have the rosemary and they have the basil. If you go to the produce section of your Walmart, if you go to where they sell all the fruits and all the, all the vegetables, all the green stuff and the fruits, you go in that section, you'll see, and a part of that section they'll have plants like this, but this is still edibles. But you'll come across some plants like this. Usually they only have the basil and they only have the rosemary. But today I got lucky and they had the mint, and I love the mint. The mint, man, you can drop it, you can boil it, and you can put it in your teas. You can make some tea and you can boil it with your tea. Or you can, you can chop it up, make it fine pieces, little tiny pieces, and you can even throw it in your salad. And it gives it a minty, like, terrific taste. It smells good. It's real good for your digestive system. It's real good. It got antioxidants in it. It's real good for you. So I would definitely recommend y'all stop by y'all local Walmart and get one of these bad boys. I think the price on here is somewhere. Anyways, I paid $3 for it. Paid $300 for it. No, my fault. Not $300. I paid $3 for it. Paid $3 for it, and it was worth my money because I'm gonna drop this in the pot, and I'll probably get about 3 or 4 plants out of this. Probably 5 or 6 plants out of this. But they do produce babies and stuff like that. But I'm gonna go in here in this gas station now. I had it in the car. It's been sitting in the car for about an hour. But it'll be in its final destination. It'll be in this house by tomorrow. But I'm at the Circle K. As you can see from the color, I'm at the Circle K. I'm about to go in here and I'm about to get me a naked drink. I'm about to take a couple of these, 2, 3, 4 of these leaves off of here, shake it up in my naked drink, and I'm gonna go ahead and get my nutrients. Go ahead and get my my vitamins and stuff. Take care of my body. Take care of your body, man. Go get you some of these plants. They only but $3 a piece. Go grab you some plants, throw it in the pot. Boom. You got a whole mint and you got a whole rosemary and basil plant. So yeah, I'm out. Like, comment, subscribe.